Hello, teachers. Those of you who have your students do research and at times struggle with your students gathering either too much information or having problems finding the correct information, the Google custom search is the way to solve that problem. With that, in order to do your Google custom search, if it's not in your Google waffle, the best way to do it in the Google bar, just type in custom search. You see I've done before, search. The first one that pops up is custom search engine. And you'll see this screen pop up. My students have done the custom search, as you see, 4 times already. If you've never done it before, it's going to have nothing under there. You're going to want to add and edit search engines. For me, my students are working on a biography project, so I'm going to add sites that I've already went over to make sure the information is what they are looking for. The first one is history.com, so I'm going to type that one in the sites to search. Another website that has information for most of the students' biographies is biography.com. You can add as many or as few sites your students can search. In this case, I'm just going to do 2 because I know most of my students have already done it already. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You want to make sure it's in English, and then you can name your search engine. For this one, I'm going to name it biography, just because my students are working on their biography, and then I'm going to click create. Once it's ready, you see it's loading. You can upload it to your Google site. You can click get code. It'll give you the code. In my case, I'm going to load it to my Google Classroom and make it public URL so my students can search for it at home, at school, wherever they are. I'm going to open my Google Classroom. Excuse me. Inside my Google Classroom, I got to switch to my school account. I apologize. Inside my Google Classroom, I'm going to click on my current students. I'm going to go to classwork. I'm going to create a assignment. I'm just going to type it biography research. And add the link since my students will already know what they need to do. But in order to do that, I need to make sure that once I do that, I take my link, Control C, and copy my link, add link. I'm going to assign it to my classroom. Once in my classroom, you can see it pops up, biography research. I'm going to click on that. All my students are assigned. Go back. When I go to my custom search, I'm going to use Babe Ruth in as an example. Type in Babe Ruth. And you see everything that pops up here for Babe Ruth. You'll notice that it's all from biography.com, history.com, everything here. And that is a way for my students, my 4th grade students, to limit their search. I know it has all the information. I know that it's age appropriate for them. So with that, the custom search is going to help your students gain the research needed in the appropriate amount of time, and you can monitor what sites they go to. Thanks for watching.